Hello everybody, today we start a beautiful day and I want to make a shrimp scampi with spaghetti. And the way I do the shrimp, I clean up already. I take I take it out, the black stuff, and I left the little shell on the tail. And I got over here wine, the lemon, my parsley for outside, flake hot pepper, butter, and garlic. And this is my spaghetti. Okay, now we gotta start with the shrimp. I pour a little oil, and I use 1 piece of butter. Now we melt the butter, I gotta put the shrimp now over here. All right. Now we can put the shrimp in this pot. It smells so good already. This you gotta cook couple of minutes both sides. Okay, now this before I turn, I want to put sea salt and black pepper. Now we leave it stay, like I say, couple of minutes. Now we turn this. After this, you don't gotta cook it too long. Now this is done both way, and we take it out. Okay, now we put oil. Okay, we make the sauce for with the shrimp, because we gotta do the pasta, the spaghetti. I put a garlic, and make sure we make the garlic a nice color. Make sure to not burn the garlic. Okay, we put a little flake hot pepper. This I don't want to miss my oil, baby. I wanted the stuff a little
Please
spice.
subscribe to watch more.
And now we got the wine. This is a dry wine, the wine I'm drinking. And we put the lemon. This is 1 lemon. Now this you gotta cook a little bit. And after we gotta put the shrimp back over here. It's a time to put my pasta. Okay, now this you gotta cook 9 minutes or 10. Can never put my time. I taste when it's nice al dente, I take it out. You gotta be really standing up with the spaghetti. The taste good with my shrimp scampi over here. Oh, I want to enjoy it today by myself. I got a nice glass of wine tonight. Okay, now we put the shrimp back in the lemon and the wine. I want it to be good. Okay, the shrimp, you gotta have a good taste with the wine and the lemon. And we leave it cook now like this for 1 minute. Got the pasta, it's almost ready. And like this, after we put the pasta right inside over here. It gotta come really, really good. Okay, now the pasta is done. And I want to take it out. And we put it right over here with the shrimp. This pasta gotta go, everything over here. And I gotta put a little parsley. Now let's raise the flame. We put a little parsley to give a nice color. Now this, you gotta taste really, really good. Okay, this everybody say it's everything fresh we got over here. Okay, and now we put it right over here. And this I gotta taste it now. Taste my shrimp. Good. Let me taste my spaghetti.
Please subscribe to watch more.
It's really, really good. And the shrimp, I left the shell on the tail. What you do, you squeeze. Okay, this is a really good dish. I hope everybody make it. I want to say thank you very much to everybody. And I will see next recipe. And this dish I like so much. Thank you very much to everybody. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.